On number 6, we are multiplying the matrix by the scalar of 3. And I want to show how to do this on the calculator, although I think it's easier just to do it by hand. But I do want to show you how to do that on the calculator. So if you go to the matrix menu and over to Edit and select Matrix A, and then make sure that your dimensions are 2 by 3, and then enter in the numbers into the matrix. Then quit out, and on the home screen type 3. Then go into the matrix menu and under Names select Matrix A. So we have 3 times Matrix A on the home screen, and then press Enter, and then we get our answer. So 21, 12, 30, 24, negative 33, and negative 3. So again, I think it is easier just to do it by hand, but this is how you would do it on the calculator.